Question 1 starts by asking us to find out how far it is from O to the point 6 minus 4. We're using Pythagoras for that, so we're doing the square root of 6 squared and minus 4 squared. So we've got 36 plus 16. So the length of OA is the square root of 52. Let's repeat that now for the length of OB. And so OB is the square root of minus 2 squared add 7 squared. So we've got 4 and 49, which makes 53. And what do we say? Well, we're saying that OA is less than OB. Well, of course it is, because the square root of 52 is less than the square root of 53. 3 marks. A nice start. Then we go on to find out our usual stuff for our coordinates questions, the gradient of AB. So we're going from 6 minus 4, that's point A, and we're going to point B, which is minus 2, 7. And the gradient is how far up? Well, it's going from minus 4 to 7, so that's 11. And how far along? Well, it's going from 6 to minus 2, that's minus 8. And so our gradient is rise over run, or 11 over minus 8, minus 11 over 8. And we go to find the equation. As soon as we see the equation, we're saying y minus the y number equals gradient x minus the x number. And throw in the values we want. Y minus, well, which y number? It's the gradient of AB. I can use any of these. I think I'll use A. So y minus this y number here, so that's add 4, equals gradient. We have a gradient here, minus 11 over 8. X minus the x number here was 6. That is an equation of a line, but we've been asked to leave it in this form here. So we need to times everything by 8. I'm getting 8y, add 32. And I'm also going to multiply out this bracket this side. So I'm going to get minus 11x's plus 66 here. And now just putting it all on the same side, 8y plus 11x equals, take the 32 off there, equals 34. Just scrolling down a bit to get some room for the last bit. So we've now got point C. Now point C has got the coordinates k0. And what are we doing? We're going from A to C. Well, A to C is from there to there and from there to there. So from minus 4 to there, we're going up 4. And from here to here, we're going along k minus 6. So the gradient of the line AC is rise over run 4 over k minus 6. It says it's perpendicular to the line AB. Well, we worked that out earlier. There was that one there. And the perpendicular, of course, is the negative reciprocal of it. Turn it upside down and make it negative. So we've got 8 over 11 there. Now we've got an equation to solve. 8 over 11 equals 4 over k minus 6. Let's times both sides by 11. Let's times both sides by k minus 6. Add 48 to both sides. Gives me 92 there, doesn't it? And divide by 8 gives me k is 11.5. A reasonably tough bit for a first question there, but it's just perpendicular lines.